The Honorable Minister for Health and Medical Services, my friend Dr. Ratu Antonio Valalam, His Excellency, the Australian High Commissioner to Fiji, Peter Roberts, welcome to Vanuatu, my hometown or home island. Um, the acting medical superintendent, staff of Labasa Hospital, uh, good friends and staff from the Australian High Commission, invited guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Ulavinaka, namaste, and good afternoon to you all. I am delighted to always work with him as Minister for Health because as a government, I have to keep saying this, that when we came into government, we inherited one of the most dilapidated state of health infrastructure in Fiji. But the good news is that under the leadership of the Honourable Minister and with support from our development partners and in particular from Australia, we are moving with purpose, with a firm plan and agenda to ensure that we soon, in the not too distant future, not only upgrade our infrastructure, but deliver quality medical services to our people. Today we are witnessing another significant step forward, advancing that agenda of improving not only the infrastructure, but also making sure that we improve our services. And as His Excellency, the Australian High Commissioner said, with the groundbreaking event today, we are taking steps in modernizing not only management of medical waste management at the Labasa Divisional Hospital, which will serve the hospital and also nearby healthcare facilities under the Health Ministry. I was listening very carefully to the acting medical superintendent. I'm glad that you provided a very honest assessment of what was happening in the area of waste management. Outdated, malfunctioning incinerators, highlighted by the acting medical superintendent, has been challenging for not only the staff in the hospital, but also hindering the delivery of good services. Recognizing its critical importance in addressing public safety and ecological well-being, the Health Ministry convened a series of meetings in 2023 with our donor partners to chart a path forward. While government continues its actions to address the waste management needs at the CWM hospital, we are so grateful that the Australian government, through the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, stepped forward to offer their assistance to Labasa Hospital. So thank you very much, His Excellency, and people and government of Australia. I am very pleased to announce that following a comprehensive review funded by DFAT, conducted by Professor Trevor Thornton from Deakin University, we will adopt a centralized incinerator model for Labasa Hospital. And this model will initiate the installation of a state-of-the-art containerized incinerator at Labasa Hospital, which will offer us many benefits. One, optimized space. Portable incinerator will free up valuable land within our hospitals, enabling future service mentioned. 2, environmental compliance. With a scrubber device that consolidates emissions, we will enhance our monitoring and ensure compliance with environmental regulations. 3, operational efficiency. By placing fewer larger incinerators in central locations, we will simplify maintenance and significantly reduce operational costs. This innovative containerized incinerator represents a significant milestone in our efforts to address medical waste management in Fiji, as its portability allows the machine to be mobilized anywhere in the nation in urgent need. Furthermore, with a capacity of 250 kg, the incinerator will be able to efficiently manage medical waste across Bantu Levu, greatly reduce the risk of overloading, an issue that has historically challenged our previous systems. The selected containerized incinerator comes from a globally recognized manufacturer in Incinerator UK. Based on its technical specifications, environmental suitability, and the company's successful history of supplying incinerators to Fiji. We anticipate delivery on June 16th, another 2 weeks. Again, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude on behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister and on behalf of the Government of Fiji, on behalf of the Honorable Minister for Health, the Fiji Program Support Platform for the valuable assistance in coordinating the procurement and logistics of this essential medical incinerator. Total investment in the 18 M250 medical incinerator is Australian 356,000, which equates to more than $500,000 Fijian dollars. This package includes spare kits, parts kits, a 3-year warranty, a 5-year service agreement ensuring annual maintenance visits from Incinerator's 8 engineers. Furthermore, we are committed to investing a comprehensive training program to ensure our staff is well prepared to operate this new system effectively. Our ongoing commitment to improvement, the Environmental Health Unit will provide refresher training for our clinical and ancillary staff on hospital waste. And this will happen prior to the commissioning later. This training will serve as both an educational opportunity and an audit designed to enhance our current waste management practices. Again, I want to emphasize that this investment is not just a medical waste management solution. In fact, I think it sets a nationwide benchmark to reform in medical waste management that positions us for a safer and a more sustainable future. Before I conclude, once again, I want to say how grateful we are to the Australian government, the renewed Vuvale partnership, and I do not wish to go into the details of that renewed partnership, but what we have achieved in the last 2 years with the support of the Australian government, our partnership transcends well beyond just the health ministry, health services, health infrastructure. We have a major program with respect to our education infrastructure, which is another area that the government is working very hard. The Australian government generously provided funding for an audit of 86 schools in the Central Division. As a result of that audit, we are again grateful to receive support from the Australian government to not only build a new school, repair some of the schools, wash facilities, and that going to enhance the state of educational infrastructure, not only in the central division, but its impact will be felt right across the country. And as His Excellency the High Commissioner just mentioned, the Australian Foreign Minister made her first trip to Fiji after the general election in Australia. And again, that underscores the deep friendship, partnership that Fiji has with Australia. We are always grateful the support that we get from the Australian people, the Australian government, but more importantly, the support that we get from the Australian High Commission. And very happy to be at the Labasa Hospital and to be part of this very, very important occasion. The groundbreaking ceremony, or be part of the groundbreaking ceremony for the Naka Wakilevu. Dhanyawad, and thank you very much.